Hey, today is September 27th. I've got some industrial sewing machine tables for sale. As is, or I can sand them down and paint the base, make them look nice. As you can see on this one, there's a tray to hold the sewing machine. 4 bolts hold the tray on. We see the 2 pedals down here. Come around to this side, and I don't see well, of course I don't. It's on this side. Nope, there is no yardstick or measurement on this particular frame. But that's this frame. The back side of the next frame looks like this. It too has a separate tray. A separate tray with 4 bolts sticking up to hold your sewing machine. 2 pedals on the bottom. And that nice drawer, nice lift that comes up and down. Another table over here. Looks like I put the table on backwards, but that's okay. It can be switched around easily enough. And here again we've got the same setup. So we've got the door that opens up, and we've got the 4 bolts down there that hold the sewing machine in place. And then the last one, this one isn't in as good a shape. It does have the yardstick on there, so to speak, but if we look right here, we see the laminate is coming up. But the metal is all in nice shape, the frame is in nice shape. So, they're all good units. One of them, however, does need a little bit of work. I don't remember which one it is. But if you've got a sewing machine that requires a base with 4 posts, I've got 3 of them right here that'll work for you. And I might have another one in here too. And it's this one underneath these machines. I'm not sure if that goes to one of my machines or not. First I have to find a home for the gray Singer and the green console. So once I find a table for those, the others are available. Oh, and then I've got another table over here, that's right. This one is in nice shape. It's in very nice shape. And it has nothing on the bottom here. There's no tray for mounting it. So that would have to be well, it does have 4 bolts for mounting something. As a matter of fact, I saw one of those around here somewhere. I'll bet I've got whatever that requires. So we'll tip it this way, and you can see that there's a tray that hangs below it, and I've no doubt got that tray. And it's going to be something, no doubt, to the effect of this tray right here, or this tray over here. So let me know if I can help you. Phone number is down below.